kids, let's continue learning how to write the alphabet. We are going to write the uppercase M. Start at the top line and move straight down to the baseline. And go back to the starting point and slide down to the right. And move back up in the opposite direction, reaching the top line, and move straight down to the baseline. Let's continue writing the lowercase m. Start at the middle line, draw a vertical line, and push up and curve going to the right to make one hump, and do the same thing for another hump. Wow! You did a great job! Keep on practicing. You're getting better with each try. Check it out in the description below. You can download our free practice handwriting worksheets and watch more of our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye!